Hey y'all, it's Jen. I'm going to be messing around with the paper dolls and backgrounds for the open collaboration that Creating with Jovi and Sassy Southern NC Girl put together for the month of October. I'm a little bit behind. I had things going on and I tried to record this video 7 times a few days ago, a week ago, and I got frustrated and just shoved everything back. So I'm back to do this video. I printed the paper dolls onto cardstock because for me, I prefer to cut them out of cardstock. It seems like if I slip with my scissors, I don't have a tendency to cut through pieces. So I did print out several sheets. I printed out these, which I've already started cutting up. And they're a mix. Some are vintage, some are more modern. There are different, many different styles of dolls in the collection. Now you can go and purchase the paper doll kit from Creating with Jovi's Etsy shop. You can also join her Facebook page group over on Facebook, and I will link all of this information below in the description box if you are on my YouTube channel. And she has freebies that you can download that are printable pages that you can use in the group. So there were a lot of backgrounds, but I only chose 2 to print for now. Now this is kind of the 70s rainbow, 80s rainbow vibe going on here. So I chose a couple of the vintage ladies that I thought would look cute in this background. Now it all just depends. You could turn this upside down. You could turn it sideways. I mean, you could use this background in many different ways. So I have her as a vintage lady. She is more modern, 1990s-ish. Even though her jeans say 1970s, she looks 1990-ish to me. So more retro. And then I have just like punk skater girl, beachy sort of vibes. It reminds me of skating rinks from back in the day. So I thought she would go good here. And then another very vintage version of one of the paper dolls here. So she might be really cute on here. These would be cute little projects for girls. If you have young girls and teenagers coming up that need Christmas crafts. Nothing says it has to be Christmas themed. And then I printed this one out. And I was trying to decide. I sort of like her a little bit with this. Her. Not so much these, although she looks like an 80s baby. I like her, but I think she would fit better in a kitchen themed project. I just think she looks like Little Miss Susie Homemaker, you know. These are be cute here. She would be stinking cute here, plus she matches the colors. But for her, like farmhouse, like I have a farmhouse kit here from Jovi. I mean, she just fits that. Let me cut her out a little bit. So nothing says that you have to stick with the backgrounds that come with the kit. You can create your own backgrounds, print backgrounds from other kits. I mean, she's cute with this wallpaper. Really stinking cute. Not so much with the chickens, I don't think, but I don't know. Let's see. Would she be cute standing outside the barn? Maybe. Maybe. I know there's another wallpaper on here. She would be cute on this though. With her little sweater and her blue jeans, she would be stinking cute with this vase. Let's see. There was another lady that I thought would be nice with these. Have her. She would be cute with the flowers. I don't think I printed the other one. If you wanted to go a little vintage. Here it is. This background. And then there's this one. No, but again, she would be cute. Anyway, you can mix these ladies with different pieces and parts and colors and ideas. There are tons and tons of ideas, videos, and pictures over on both Jovi and Southern Sassy and Sea Girls social media hotspots that you can go and watch, and there were a lot of collaborators that you can go and watch, and all of those are listed in the YouTube video description boxes. So just wanted to highlight this kit and say thank you for inviting people to join the open collaboration. Thanks for watching, y'all.